You know, multi-million-dollar homes are very specific, especially this property that I'm currently selling, 1880 historic home with lake and a barn and shooting range. And this is very, very specific. And you know what's beautiful about it? When you do a good job as a realtor, you get traffic. You get to the right kind of people that may want to live in this place or to invest in this place. So I have a showing today. I'm going to open the guest house. This is the guest house. This is the main house. I'll take you around to see more. So this is the guest house. The owner of the property used to make quilts here. This was her sewing room, and make it an entire separate house. Isn't it pretty? Now you also have a niche here on the top. You could put the ladder and put your mattress there. And then you have a bedroom. This property has 2 septic tanks. One is here. I'll show you what a septic is. Basically, this will take care of your water and sewage. That's the house on the side. 2 HVAC units. Here is one of the septic tanks. And come with me, turn around. See, let's move fast before it sprays me. Here it comes. And here's the lake. Now, it's not a river. It looks like a river because it's long. It's also not a pond. A pond is a lot more shallow. A lake is deeper. This one has fish too, if you like to fish. And on the other side of this bridge, you get to the gazebo and the barbecue area and the splash pad. If you don't know what a splash pad is, that's an entire amusement park. This house was actually built in 1880 somewhere else in Columbus County, and moved here, completely renovated, modernized. Besides these 4 large windows that are the original windows for this house. All of the windows have been replaced, and a lot more. Really, really beautiful house. I'll show you a little bit from inside. Now, what I want to say is that the actual entrance to the house is in the back because they wanted to face this lake. And the entrance in the front is actually the kitchen entrance, and then there's also a side entrance for potential guests, but I think most people will enter through the kitchen and not through here. So let's show you. So this is the porch. You saw it from before, right? So this is the main door. Let's go inside. This house has 2 staircases that are kind of joining into one, because one starts here and one starts on the other side, and then they join to go upstairs. Okay, so